Hey everyone, Rick, the Static Nomadic. Today is the day I take care of my flat tire. And I'm really surprised I didn't get any comments about patching the sidewall, plugging the sidewall. This is an off-roader's, worst nightmare. And that's getting a sidewall puncture on one or more tires. And how to get out of that mess. Obviously, step one, get the tire off so we can work with it. That thing had to have hit it just right to actually do that. Wow. Anyway, let's get her plugged. Alright, I'm going to be using my power jack to break the bead on this tire. But there's a multitude of ways that you could actually break a bead on your tire out in the woods or whatever. And that would be using a jack under the heaviest part of the vehicle to apply pressure to the bead. You could use a board and put it right at the rim and drive another vehicle up on it to pop the bead. There's a lot of different ways to break a bead. And that's what killed our tire. That's what killed my tire. Right there. Unbelievable. After doing some digging, found a bolt, 2 fender washers, a lock washer, and a nut. What we're going to do is put some RTV on the inside of this and the inside of this, push the bolt through, squish it all together on the tire. And that's it. We'll go ahead, remount the tire, air it up. That's our 70 psi there, and let's get the soapy water now and check the patch. Look at that. And there's our patch. No leaks. And that's at the bottom where all the pressure is going to be. Well, there you have it, everyone. If you're ever in the middle of the woods, the desert, whatever, and you end up with 2 flat tires or a flat tire and no spare, and you have a puncture in the sidewall, don't give up. It is fixable. Just giving it some ingenuity, some thought, and some preparedness. I think we got us a storm coming. Peace out, people.
Thank you.